Welcome to another crochet crafty video with me, Laura, and the
Misi.
lovely Misi.
Hi everybody.
He is back for another episode of what is now going to be called Misi's Design Challenge series. Okay, if you didn't see our last video, we did a sponsored video by Longer 3D. And Misi, yeah, you designed a mini loom, so which was amazing. It worked perfectly. Look at this. I love this. It's like a kind of like a large doll's house rug. But basically, I have a new challenge for you. A new laser cutting challenge.
Me?
Yeah, because you did such a great job with the mini loom. I love this.
Yeah, what would you like?
I know you like using the laser cutter so much
true,
and designing as well.
Yeah, it's my toy.
So, have you ever heard of a yarn bowl?
Yarn bowl?
A yarn bowl, yeah.
Ooh, I never heard this before.
Okay, so basically it is what it sounds like. It's a bowl for yarn, and I'm sure you guys have heard of yarn bowls. It's in all sorts of different styles.
Yarn storage?
Kind of. It's basically when you're working with a ball of yarn, it often rolls around everywhere as you're crocheting or even knitting, and it ends up going on the floor. You get like dog hairs in it, cat hairs in it, human hair in it.
Oh, so it's keeping one.
It's like a little container, and it stops the yarn ball running around everywhere, so it keeps it in its place and it like feeds through. So you have like a little hole.
Sounds very practical.
And you feed the yarn through.
Okay. So would you like a yarn ball?
Yeah.
One is holding your yarn in one place.
Do you think you'd make that on a laser cutter?
Everything is possible, so why not?
But
yeah. Ooh. So I feel it's not just a ball.
So I'm thinking, just to make it a little bit more interesting than just a yarn ball, I'm thinking we could turn it into a little project area.
Okay.
No, I'm thinking like some little holes for some of your crochet hooks that you're working with at that time.
Like a toolbar.
Yeah, like pens and pencils, place to put your scissors, maybe even a little hole to put your yarn needle.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's good. I have an idea. I see in my... Yeah,
Am I asking too much?
No, you never ask too much. It's absolutely okay.
But yeah, a ruler would be useful, especially for the crochet squares that I'm making at the moment. If you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I am currently working on a granny square, crochet square book. Get my words out.
Do you have a 10 square now?
I have 10, so we're 20% of the way there. So we'll talk more about that at the end of the video, so if you're interested in that. But yeah, something.
But I have a challenge.
You have a challenge? Yes. Do you accept this challenge?
So I'm going to the studio and I try designing something very useful yarn ball. Let's do it.
Let's go. Okay, so oh my gosh.
Oh, I hide this first. So there you go.
Wow. I immediately see that cool design with the
Show the camera.
with the yarn.
Ooh.
Wow,
What do you think?
I love the yarn string style design.
Yeah, it's something minimalistic.
That's really intricate.
Here the toolbar, and have a rulers, of course, the centimeters and the inches.
Inches, you gotta have inches. I'm a little bit old-fashioned.
Yeah, and
I like both.
Here's the hook size checker.
Wow.
And yeah, we have a Happy Berry logo here.
Course.
Just, you know.
Oh my god, and tiny. Let's test it. Well, I have a few supplies
Let's
here.
do it.
Can I test?
Yeah.
Okay, so the little project area is this. I love the Art Deco vibe.
Oh,
If you
okay.
can show that on the other camera, the little Art Deco.
Okay.
That is so cool. Okay, so we've got 5. I guess this is for so currently I'm working with a pen and a pencil for all my notes and chart designs and squares.
Yeah.
This isn't actually the hook I'm working with, but it's a big 6mm crochet hook, and I have also, that fits perfectly. I also have a micro, tiny crochet hook, and I guess there's scissors.
Yep.
See, what you could also do, I don't know if the people can see, you've got a little space here, so you could add because these scissors are like super sharp, they're like embroidery scissors. You could add like a little bit of foam and stick that on, and then in the bottom. Okay. The biggest test, the yarn needle. Ta-da! Yay! That's perfect. That's awesome. I love it. It's amazing.
Okay, I approved.
Approved, but we have one thing left. Oh, we have a couple of things.
Yeah.
We're going to test the...
Here the yarn. Okay,
Yeah,
we're just
so
focusing the toolbar. What's happening with the yarn? It actually works like a yarn ball.
The ruler works.
Okay.
So that's good. Or over here, about 4 inches. So that's really handy. Sometimes when I get my tape measure, one, it doesn't have it in inches, and not everyone uses centimeters. You'd be surprised. And so I'm quite old school. I like to share in centimeters and inches. So it's actually really handy, especially with squares, just to line it up and then immediately just swap it over, and I don't have to fiddle with holding the square.
Okay.
Anyway, so the yarn. Let's test the yarn.
Put in the bowl.
Put in the bowl. So where's the hole? Here.
Maybe the hole, yeah.
So this is for like, I suppose, smaller yarn balls rather than the big ones. I like to feed the yarn from the middle. I guess you could do it from the outside as well. Okay, well that works. And it's good size as well. You could fit a chunky yarn.
Yeah, just because the camera.
So the idea is you would be crocheting, and as you pull it, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. It works. It doesn't run away. That's so good, because I can just put this next to me on the sofa where I do most of my design work, and just have a whole project area with all the things. I'm not going to lose hooks down the cracks of the sofa.
I'm
my
so
yarn's
happy
not
I do something useful
Oh,
too.
you always do lots of useful things. Don't overthink that. It's amazing. What do you guys think? It's just awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. Do people still use the word awesome? It's awesome. So a huge thank you, as always, to our Happy Berry Plus monthly subscribers for helping make these videos possible. I don't know what you're doing.
Just here.
You guys are amazing. Do check out our monthly subscription for bonus content. And a huge thank you for Longer 3D.
Yeah, thank you.
Who provided the laser cutter. You're enjoying working with it?
Absolutely.
Fun?
Yeah. That's it.
And please remember to subscribe if you enjoyed. And let us know if you would like more design challenges for Misi. If you have your ideas, what you think he can design, then
I'm ready.
Yeah, throw it his way. Comment below. Oh yeah, one last thing. I was going to talk about the crochet book that we're working on. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, do head to happyberry.co.uk/book and drop your email address onto our mailing list for my updates on our forthcoming crochet book, which is going to be all about granny squares, because obviously we've started Granny Squares Sunday, and I just thought it would be amazing to self-publish a actual book, a real life book, paperback book thing. So
we're
working on that. Yeah. So if you would like updates on my first ever real life book, then drop your email address over there and be in with a chance of winning a signed copy. And hopefully it'll be out in time for Christmas. So fingers crossed. I'm going to be designing the squares. Missy is going to be working on the
diagrams,
the chart diagrams, and the actual design of the books. So
yep.
Team effort. Yeah, I've got 10 squares so far, so we're 20% of the way there. So,
that's great.
Of which this is one of them. So. But yeah, I will see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun, and hopefully Missy will join us again for more videos. It's great to have you join us.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks
so
for
much.
watching, guys. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.